Going down from Middleton
on East Beach.
on East Beach.
Siding damage.
I can go back down there and well, you know.
Speed right over there.
We're going to turn. Right. Even though it's a one-way, I wonder if the road's not flooded that way. Yep. Nope. Not bad. Oh,
Now we're on Dolphin, by the way.
Yeah, we are on Dolphin, East Dolphin.
Siding damage. Blue house. Looks like 11:10, 11:08.
Yeah, you should turn around.
Alright,
Alright, we gotta turn around.
that's at
Can't see the street sign.
14th, so that's 15th, 16th place.